What if the sun disappeared? Have you ever wondered what would happen if the sun just vanished? Not in a million years, not in a billion, but right now, gone. No warning, no goodbye, just darkness. Welcome to a wild thought experiment, one that explores how life on Earth would unravel if our star, the sun, suddenly disappeared. Let's dive in. But brace yourself. It gets dark fast, literally and figuratively. Seconds after the sun disappears. At the exact moment the sun disappears, Earth wouldn't notice anything for 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Why? Because that's how long it takes sunlight to travel from the sun to Earth. So for those 8 minutes, birds still chirp, the sky still glows, and life goes on as usual, unaware of what just happened. But once those 500 seconds are up, everything begins to change. Light out. Suddenly, daylight vanishes. The sky goes pitch black, even at noon. No beautiful sunrise, no glowing moon, no warm rays on your face. Total darkness. But not total, really. For a while, artificial light keeps cities glowing. The stars above become shockingly visible, and the planets, Venus, Jupiter, shine like never before. But light is only the beginning. Heat is next. Temperature crash. Within a week, Earth's average surface temperature drops to freezing, 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And it keeps dropping, fast. After 1 year without the sun, the surface temperature would plummet to around minus 73 degrees Celsius, minus 100 degrees Fahrenheit. The oceans begin to freeze from the top down, but the deeper layers stay liquid, for now, thanks to geothermal heat from Earth's core. Only the strongest species will start to adapt, but most life won't. Weather chaos. Without solar energy, the entire weather system collapses. No more wind, no evaporation, no rain. Photosynthesis, the engine of all plant life, stops instantly. Plants die. Herbivores follow, then carnivores. The entire food chain unravels. Humanity is next. Humanity's last stand. To survive, humans would need to go underground or underwater, places still warmed by geothermal energy. Massive underground cities could be built. Artificial lighting powered by nuclear or geothermal plants would replace the sun. Hydroponic farming could grow food, but resources would be limited, and humanity would shrink rapidly. Only the wealthiest nations might have the tech to even attempt this. Billions would perish. Society would collapse. And all of this assumes we even survive the gravitational chaos. Gravitational consequences. Remember, the sun's gravity is what keeps the planets in orbit. Without it, Earth would fly off in a straight line into deep space. No more orbit, no more solar system. Just a lonely rock drifting endlessly in the void. Eventually, Earth might pass by another star, but that could take millions, even billions, of years. And by then, life here would be long gone. Could we survive? So, could humanity survive the disappearance of the sun? Maybe temporarily, underground, artificially sustained, but not indefinitely. Without the sun, Earth becomes a frozen wasteland. The sun isn't just a light bulb in the sky, it's the giver of life, gravity, time, seasons, and energy. Everything we know and love is tied to it. So the next time you feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, remember, it's not just light, it's life, it's energy. It's the very reason you're alive to ask these questions in the first place. Thanks for watching. If this video blew your mind, give it a like, drop a comment below. What's one thing you'd miss most if the sun disappeared? And don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science and what-if explorations. Until next time, stay curious, stay wondering.